Okay, so who goes first, me or you?
Me. Here we go. Action. Hello, welcome back to Low English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Today we are going to be talking about pronouns and common nouns in sentences.
And welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to the channel and click the like button. Okay. Now, Nikki, today we want to talk about common nouns first. The common noun, English name, Luo name, we provide a sentence.
Okay.
Start with the teacher. What do you think teacher is in Luo?
Japuonj.
Japuonj, yes. So, teacher is Japuonj. Now, let's provide a sentence, provide a Luo sentence. Japuonj puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
Japuonj puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
So the teacher is teaching 4 children. Japuonj puonjo nyithindo ang'wen. But now if you go to the pronoun part, you'll say Mr. Agina and Japuonj. No, Mr. is not Luo. So you would say Japuonj Agina puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
Japuonj Agina puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
Your accent of puonjo is not yet there. Say puonjo.
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 Japuonj Agina puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
Japuonj Agina puonjo nyithindo ang'wen.
Yes. Now, number 2, fruit. How do you think fruit is called now? It has l.
La. Lemo.
Olemo.
So
give me an example.
I ate the bad fruit.
I don't know what a bad fruit is. Let's just say a common one.
I ate a fruit from a tree.
Yes. Ne achamo olemo wuok yien.
Ne achamo olemo wuok yien.
So I ate a fruit from a tree. Ne achamo olemo wuok yien.
Ne achamo olemo wuok yien.
So if the fruit is a, how do you say this in English, in Luo?
Banana.
We've done many.
Rabolo.
Rabolo. Ne achamo rabolo wuok yien rabolo.
Ne achamo rabolo wuok yien rabolo. Orange.
Luo. Huh?
Throwing.
Starts with ma.
Maembe. No, that's mango in Kiswahili.
Ma.
March.
I'm just giving a hint. Ma.
Matre.
Machunga. Huh? Ne apono machunga nyoro.
Ne apono machunga nyoro.
So, pono machunga means, what does it mean?
Peel the orange.
No, pluck from the tree. So if you pluck from the tree, you say pono.
Pono.
Ne apono machunga yien. Okay?
Ne apono machunga yien.
Yes. And for example, if you're arranging the machungas, I hope this can be seen in the video.
No.
It can?
No.
If you're arranging, you say Apango machunga.
Apango machunga.
Apango machunga.
Apango machunga.
So that is now arranging the machungas. Okay? Apango machunga.
Apango machunga.
Good. So that is a fruit. Then we move on to the window. Now, window, the Luo word for window is Otuchi.
Otuchi.
Now, Otuchi means a hollow place. It's hollow. Now, the reason why it is Otuchi is because Luos had a hut. You know, like a Luo hut.
Yes.
We didn't really have windows. We only had a hole on the hut.
So it's like see-through.
Yes, a see-through hole. Now that is where the word Otuchi comes from. But because Swahili came into Luo and then they intermarried and all these things, now we started calling the window Dirisa.
Dirisa.
Yes.
Like Dirisha.
Now Swahili is Dirisha, but now we started saying Dirisa. So because sha is very uncommon in Luo, we say sa for every sha.
Dirisa.
Dirisa. Now we said Dirisa.
Dirisa.
Dirisa. So now it is common to hear people saying Dirisa. Okay? So give me a window sentence.
I broke the window.
Ne atoyo Dirisa.
Ne atoyo Dirisa.
Or ne atoyo Otuchi.
Ne atoyo Otuchi.
But the reason I don't like to say ne atoyo Otuchi is because you see Otuchi does not have glass. Like before Dirisa started, Otuchi did not have glass. So there's no point of saying ne atoyo Otuchi. You can just say ne atoyo Dirisa. Okay?
Yes.
That's the one. Now, table. Table.
Table.
Table.
I jumped on the table.
No. What is the Luo name of table?
Oh. Mesa.
Mesa. Yes. So, mesa is table. But then give me a sentence. I what? You were saying something.
I jumped on the table.
No. Now, you'd say, ne achikora ewi mesa.
Ne achikora ewi mesa.
Yeah, ne achikora ewi mesa.
Ne achikora ewi mesa.
So that means I jumped on top of the table. So that is that a common noun? Now if it's a pronoun, what do I say?
If it's a pronoun, you have to say like something specific that can be capitalized.
So can we say like someone's table, or can we give someone's name?
Yeah, you have to give someone's name.
So like we say, ne achikora emesa mar otieno.
Yeah. Ne achikore emesa ma otieno.
Now what does that mean?
I jumped on top of Otieno's table.
Yes. Yeah. Ne achikora emesa mar otieno. Good. Color. Color. We have done like 3 videos of color. What's the name of color?
Color.
Think
Rakwar.
quickly.
Rakwar.
Rakwar is red, but now color itself only.
Color. Ratich.
Ratich is not a color even.
Oh.
Rangi.
Rangi.
Now again, color takes its name from Swahili. So Swahili is color, and Luo is also color. Then now there's many colors like red, blue, green. Okay. Sentence for color.
Sentence for color. I painted the walls in color.
Ne abuko korsisi rangi.
Ne abuko korsisi rangi.
Some people say korsisi, some people say korot.
Korot.
Depends on which Luo you come from. So, ne abuko korot rangi or ne abuko korsisi rangi.
Ne abuko korot rangi.
Yes. Or ne abuko korsisi rangi. I want to jump camera. Let's go into writing.
Writing.
Yes.
Writing.
What is writing?
Ndiko.
Ndiko, yes. Ndiko. Nyathino ndiko barua ne min mare.
Nyathino ndiko barua ne
min mare.
Ne min mare.
Nyathino ndiko barua 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 ne min mare.
So what does that mean?
The child wrote a letter
to the mother.
Yeah.
Person. Now, person depends on which type of person you're talking about. One might be called ngato.
Ngato.
Or dhano.
Dhano.
Dhano is human being. Okay, ngato is a person. So examples, English sentence.
English examples. The person cooked a type of food.
Hey, A good English sentence.
Okay, a good English sentence. The person cleaned the car for
the other person.
For the other.
No. Another one.
The person said the food was good.
Yes. Ng'atno ne owacho ni chiemo no mit.
Ng'atno ne wacho ni chiemo ne
mit.
Ng'atno
ne owacho ni chiemo mit. Ng'atno ne owacho ni chiemo mit. Ng'atno ne owacho ni chiemo mit. But if it's somebody, you just replace the name with that, okay?
Okay.
Leaf is oboke.
Oboke.
Oboke luar ndalo oro.
Oboke luar ndalo oro.
Now oro is during the what season?
Winter?
No, the
fall.
Okay. So we say the leaves fall during the fall season. So oboke luar ndalo oro.
Oboke luar ndalo oro.
Good. Plant. 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 What do you mean by plant? Plant and plant. I don't know what plant is.
Plant. Okay.
Like a plant.
Yeah.
I don't know. If you know what plant is, please comment on the
comment section.
Yeah, put a comment on the section. Then we do another video for
but
plant.
There won't be a comment section.
There will be.
Okay.
There will be. Usually there is. Comment about plant in the comment section. Then I forgot what plant is. Airplane. Airplane, we took the Swahili word, which is ndege. Ndege opiyo edho nam.
Ndege opiyo edho nam.
That means the airplane just landed next to the lake or next to the water body. Ndege opiyo edho nam. Bird. How do you say bird?
Ndege.
Starts with W. No. How do you say bird in Luo? Bird. Starts with W-I.
Wingo.
Huh? You're almost there. W-I-N.
Winge.
W-I-N-Y.
Winne.
Hey, Anikia. W-I-N-Y-O. Winyo. Seriously. Winyo. Sentence? The bird is eating some whatever. Yeah. Give me a sentence along that line.
The bird was picking on an apple. Like you see the pecking.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now you say Winyo no. Sodho olemo. Winyo no sodho olemo. So that means the bird is pecking on a fruit, okay? Winyo no sodho olemo. That's a good example. Cat. What is cat?
Cat. Nyambura.
Yes, Nyambura. Nyambura obet. No, Nyambura nindo ewi kom. What does that mean?
The cat sleeps on the chair.
The cat is sleeping on a chair.
Yeah.
Nyambura nindo ewi kom. The other one is book. Book. How do you say book?
Book. Kitabu.
Kitabu or book?
Book.
So book has both the English, which is book. We just change the spelling, but also it has the Swahili, which is kitabu, and those ones are all acceptable. So sentence on book.
Book. I finished reading a book yesterday night.
Ne atieko somo book nyoro gotieno.
Ne atieko somo book nyoro gotieno.
Ne atieko somo buk nyoro gotieno.
Ne atieko somo buk nyoro gotieno.
Good. Now, mother.
Mother. Mama.
Or M-I.
Minwa.
Minwa is my mother. Any other mother is miyo.
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 Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach.
Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach.
Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach.
Miyo no ochwado nyithindo marach.
Nyathino.
Nyathino marach.
Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach.
Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach.
What does that mean?
The mother caned the child
badly, like
yes.
Badly. Miyo no ochwado nyathino marach. Okay. Father. Type.
Wowa, something along that line.
Wowa. Who say? Huh?
Okay. We have Minwa. Woiwa.
You're almost there. It is around that.
Wonwa.
Yes, wonwa. That's for our father. Okay. Or wongi. Or woro. Woro is a father. Any other father walking along the street. Okay. Woro no somo gazette.
Woro no somo gazette.
Woro no somo gazette.
Woro no somo gazette.
So that father is reading
a gazette.
A newspaper. A gazette is a newspaper. A gazette is a gazette. You know a gazette like a normal gazette?
Yeah.
Yeah, a gazette is a newspaper. Good. So those are the common nouns. Some of them changed into pronouns. Some of them we did not change into pronouns. I hope you enjoyed the video.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a like, a thumbs up, and comment down below about plants, because we do not know the lower name. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, and YouTube as Luo English Dictionary.
And now, no, okay. Yes.
For now, Oriti, goodbye.